Aspect ratio is the proportional relationship between the width and height of your monitor's display. Understanding this concept is essential for optimizing your Sceptre monitor's visual output. Common aspect ratios include 16 by 9 for standard widescreen displays, 21 by 9 for ultra-wide monitors, and 4 by 3 for traditional formats. Each ratio serves different purposes and viewing preferences. Here's a practical comparison showing how different aspect ratios affect your viewing experience. The ultra-wide 21 by 9 format provides more horizontal space, while the standard 16 by 9 offers balanced proportions for most content. Sceptre monitors in 2025 offer native support for multiple aspect ratios with enhanced on-screen display menus. The primary method for changing aspect ratios is through the monitor's hardware controls. To change the aspect ratio on your Sceptre monitor, start by pressing the menu button. This will bring up the on-screen display where you can access all monitor settings. Navigate to the Picture, Display, or Image settings in the menu. The exact name may vary depending on your specific Sceptre monitor model, but these are the most common menu locations. Look for the aspect ratio or screen size option within the display settings. This is where you'll find all the available aspect ratio options for your monitor. Choose your desired aspect ratio from the available options. Common choices include Auto for automatic detection, Full for maximum screen usage, or specific ratios like 16 by 9 or 4 by 3. Here's what the actual Sceptre monitor menu looks like. You can see the picture settings with various adjustment options. The menu interface is intuitive and easy to navigate using the monitor's control buttons. Finally, confirm your selection and exit the menu. Your Sceptre monitor will immediately apply the new aspect ratio setting. This hardware control method is the most reliable way to adjust aspect ratios and ensures optimal display performance. Beyond the monitor's built-in menu, there are several alternative methods to adjust aspect ratios using your computer's software settings. The first alternative method uses your graphics driver control panel. Both NVIDIA and AMD provide comprehensive display adjustment options. For NVIDIA users, access the control panel by right-clicking your desktop. Navigate to Adjust Desktop Size and Position, where you can select different scaling modes. AMD users have similar options through Radeon settings. The interface may look different, but the core functionality remains the same. Windows also provides built-in display adjustment options through its Settings app, offering a user-friendly alternative to graphics driver panels. Understanding the different scaling modes is crucial for getting the best display results. Each mode handles aspect ratio mismatches differently. Full screen mode stretches the image to fill your entire display, which can cause distortion. Aspect ratio mode maintains proper proportions but may add black bars. No scaling shows content at its native size. Several common issues can occur when adjusting aspect ratios. Here are the most frequent problems and their solutions. Stretched images occur when content is forced to fill a display with a different aspect ratio. The solution is to use aspect ratio scaling instead of full screen mode. Black bars are actually normal when your content's aspect ratio doesn't match your display. This preserves the original proportions and prevents distortion. Blurry scaling happens when the resolution doesn't match your display's native capabilities. Ensure your resolution settings align with your chosen aspect ratio for crisp images. For optimal results, always match your aspect ratio settings to your primary use case. Consider what type of content you view most often, and test your settings across different applications to ensure compatibility.